Hello students, today we want to discuss about preposition, its definition, its different types as well as their usage. Preposition is defined as that it's a word which is used before a noun phrase or a pronoun connecting it to another word. There are different kinds of preposition. Kinds of preposition with respect to form. Form means its physical appearance, its grapheme, its spellings. Simple preposition. Prepositions which consist of only one word. One word preposition is called simple preposition. For example, in, on, at, with, against. Compound preposition. This is the second type. Compound, which is the combination of two words. Prepositions which consist of two words, for example, into, above, beside. Complex or phrase prepositions, they have three or more words, for example, on account of. It has three words. Now we'll discuss simple preposition. They are one syllable forms. They occur frequently in English language. And they are at, by, for, from, in, of, on, to, with. Other simple prepositions carry more specific meanings, contribute directly to the meaning of phrases in which they occur. Despite, among, during, before, opposite, behind, towards, below, under. Compound prepositions inside, outside, beside, into. Complex or phrase prepositions, they are preposition plus noun phrase plus preposition. Preposition can be in the beginning or preposition can be in the end. And then there would be noun phrase too. In accordance with, on account of, in addition to, on behalf of, in case of, by means of, for the purpose of, with reference to, for the sake of, in spite of. Most of the complex or phrase prepositions have three words, but some have four words too. For the purpose of, it has four words. For the sake of, it has four words, while rest of the phrase prepositions have three words. Okay. Firstly, I discussed kinds of preposition with respect to form. Form mean according to spellings, according to their physical appearance. Now I'm going to discuss kinds of preposition with respect to their function. What are the rules of preposition? They perform three basic roles. They discuss place, time, and direction. Now we'll discuss these three types of preposition with respect to their function and role. First is preposition of place. Some prepositions show where something happens. They are called preposition of place. Jerry was sitting under a tree. Under is preposition of place. There is a wooden floor underneath the carpet. Underneath is preposition of place. Some geese flew over their house. Over is preposition of place. Aisha and Sarah were hiding inside the wardrobe. Inside is preposition of place. There was a tree beside the river. Beside is preposition of place. I have a friend who lives in America. So in is preposition of place. This picture will describe positioning of preposition of place. Look at. At shows that it is close to the point. To, it shows to the direction of something. And away, that you move away from some place. Past. Past mean You move with some object. Okay. This column is referring to point. This column is explaining preposition of place with respect to surface. On, if you take red color, and on something, on table, on to, off, you go away from something, along, like railway tracks are going along the road. Area, in something, in bag, into, he jumped into the river, out of, he took diamond out of the ocean. Through mean something is moving and crosses it. For example, sunlight goes through the window pane. You should look at this picture. It helps you to understand preposition of place. Preposition of time. Some prepositions show when something happens. It shows time. School starts at 9 o'clock. We are going to the zoo on Saturday. No, you can't watch a video. It's past your bedtime already. I visited my grandparents during the summer. You must finish the work by Friday. I'll do my homework before dinner. At, on, past, during, by, before, they are preposition of time. Again, I want to describe one thing. Look at, here I'm saying this is at is preposition of time. Here you will find at is preposition of place. So what is the reality? If somebody asks about at, whether it's preposition of place or preposition of time, ask the person to make a sentence. Then if you find time after at, this is preposition of time. If you find some place after at, you will say that this is preposition of place. The same rule is for other examples. Preposition of direction. Some prepositions show where something is going. They are called preposition of direction. The boys chased after each other. The football rolled down the hill. A man was walking his dog along the river bank. The subway goes right through the city. We were traveling towards Miyamari. So after, down, along, right, towards, they are preposition of direction. They show that you are moving to some direction. Now we have discussed definition of preposition, then types of preposition with respect to its form, then 3 types of preposition with respect to function. Now we want to find out certain examples that where prepositions have been used. They are used with adjectives, verbs, and nouns. So look at these examples. Prepositions are used with some adjectives. The adjectives in these examples are printed in color. Dad was angry with us. We were afraid of the big dog. She's not very interested in sports. Ihtisham is very good at drawing. Mr. Naim is pleased with our work. The teachers are always kind to us. What's wrong with the computer? Okay, these underlined words are prepositions. With, of, in, at, with, to, with, they are prepositions. And angry, afraid, good, pleased, wrong, they are adjectives. Prepositions are also used with some verbs. The verbs in these examples are printed in color. I'm looking for my pencil. Have you seen it? Can you think of another word for pleased? Look here in this example. Looking is verb. For, underlined word is preposition. Can you think of another word of pleased? Does this book belong to you? We are listening to music. I agree with you. Tell me about the show you saw. cut the cake into 5 pieces. They borrowed money from the bank. Look here. Red colored examples are referring to verbs, and black, bold, underlined like for, of, to, with, about, into, from, they are prepositions. Here I'm trying to make you understand that prepositions are used with verbs. In previous slide, I tried to prove that prepositions are used with adjectives. Now I want to share with you some examples where prepositions have been used with nouns. Prepositions are used with some nouns. The nouns in these examples are printed in color. What's the answer to this question? In this example, answer is noun, to is preposition. Is there a reason for this delay? What's the matter with you? Here is an example of good behavior. Congratulations on winning the competition. Traffic can cause change to the environment. Red colored words, answer, reason, matter, example, congratulations, damage, they are nouns. And black colored, underlined, bold words are to, for, with, of, on, to, they are prepositions. Now this is a small quiz for you and you will find out the preposition. My favorite place to hide is under the kitchen table. Write preposition on your copy and then award marks to yourself. If someone is already there, I usually try in the bathroom closet. If there is not enough room in the closet, I will crawl under my bed. Now, I hope you have written the answers. Look here. Under is preposition, in is preposition, in the closet, this is preposition, under, this is also preposition. Thank you so much. If you have any question, please feel free to write.